But my main thing that I wanted to say with this, the Beyond Burger, the Impossible Burger, the whatever burger, it's kind of like McDonald's and Burger King. Do you like the Whopper or do you like the Big Mac? But it's a better option for us to say, do you like the Beyond Burger or do you like the Impossible Burger? Because no animals are dying from it. That's the whole thing. These guys have created a way for us not to consume animal product, not to consume a part of a cow. And I advocate that. I really support that. I really like that idea because they want to feed people by 2050. They want to be able to be the main source of meat by 2050, and I gotta agree with that. I want to support that because it's not about which is which or what it is. If you deem it necessary that you need to eat fast food, or if you're lazy, or if you just one day want to try it, or you don't have any time to cook and you want to go fast food, and that should be your source of food to choose from, because it's better for the world, guys. It's better for the world. It's the large that's the whole bigger picture of this meat. If you guys stand, I know people that don't even try, that won't even give it a chance, that won't even give veggie burger, any type of veggie anything. They won't even give it a chance. I understand. I was a meat eater before. I can't judge them. I'm not going to judge them. I'm not going to convince them and try to talk them into doing anything. But what I want to say is that this is better for us. This is a better way to consume food. It takes way less energy, way less money, way less lives, way less resources to create a beef, a meat from plants than it does a cow or a chicken or an animal. There's no bloodshed. Nothing has to die for you to be able to eat. Technically, people are going to say, oh, the plant died. Yes, the plant does die, but the plant does not have a nervous system where it can feel. The cow does, the chicken does, the lamb does. They can feel that. Their body dies, guys. Their body dies, and that's very, if you really think about it, that's pretty messed up for us to be able to eat. And I mean, I don't want to make this video too long, but from my perspective, I just kind of imagine somebody not even killing me, just taking a piece of me. Like somebody wants to eat my arm, so they cut off my arm and they grill it, put everything on it. I can't get that back. You know what I mean? You can't get that back. They eat my arm, they eat my leg. I mean, just take a minute and think about it. Take a minute just to see, like, how does that feel? How does that feel if you can experience something like that? I mean, it's just very inhumane. It's very inhumane to kill something, and we eat every bit of it, guys. I don't think y'all realize, and I don't think most people realize, because it's just food to them. But you're eating a part of something that was living. You're eating the insides of something that was living. You're eating it, guys. You're eating a liver of something. You're eating a thigh of an animal. You're eating the wings of an animal. That's our shoulders. We got thighs too. You know what I mean? We got liver, kidney. You eating a breast of something. We got breasts too. You know what I mean? I don't even know what everything else is made up of. Hot dogs and chitlins and all that stuff. You know, devil's egg. So I just want you guys to just know that something had to die for you to eat. And I don't know if that's okay with you. If you think that's fair. If you believe that it's a cycle, like everybody says, and you know, it comes with the territory. It's how we eat. We've been eating this like this for years, and yeah, I get you. I'm not gonna argue with you, but what if it was you? That's all I'm gonna say about that. So all right, guys. Hope this video. I'll try not to make it too long, but I appreciate you guys watching. If you're still here, thank you for listening to me, and hopefully you make the better choice or the right choice today to save a cow, save a chicken, save a lamb. Just one. Just one. Just one, guys. That's all. Maybe if it's just one meal a year, that'll help out. That'll help. But I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Here we go. Herb G, Veganometri.